Hello everyone, welcome to Chart Stock Labs. And today I'm going to tell you a story of two investors. Number one, Mr. Perfect. He is a perfectionist. And number two, Mr. Shantila. ये बड़े calm, composed और discipline वाले आदमी हैं. He don't like to, be a perfection. He wants to follow a process. हमारे दोनों ही investors की age भी same है. They have the same salary. They have same investment with a goal to earn and create wealth. Now both of these investors have different strategies and different approach to the market. And I want you guys to watch this video till the last to decide which one of them has the best strategy. And I want you to know कि किसकी strategy आपको ज़्यादा पसंद आए. Now, before starting our story, let's discuss the type of the market they want to invest in. So, we'll be discussing about the Nifty 50. From 2008 to 2026 chart, we can see the Nifty is in uptrend. But if I zoom in from period 24 to 26, we'll see कि Nifty is in a consolidation phase, which we call it as a sideways market, and it's hovering in the range of 22 to 26,000. This is the type of the market where people usually lose the interest because they want the market to always boom, and as soon as the market starts to drop, their portfolio starts to drop, and they don't know what to do. Instead of being patient, weird thoughts starts to come to their mind. They think that whether I should stop my SIP or I should switch my investments from equity to gold. Since the market is too boring, whether I should take away the profit that I'm getting from my investments. They simply don't know what to do because nothing is happening. Neither their portfolio is increasing nor market is increasing. Tell me if this happens to you as well. If yes, then don't panic because you are not alone. ये सबके साथ होता है और ये मैं नहीं कह रहा. I can prove you with the data. ये बात सच है. Now, on the above you can see the chart of Nifty, and below you can see the trend, Google Trends. What terms basically the people are searching. So I have filtered out three terms: Nifty 50, stock market, and SIPs. So you will see whenever the market is in uptrend, the interest of the people also increase. वो इन टर्म्स को ज़्यादा ढूंढने लगते हैं कि स्टॉक मार्केट में कैसे इन्वेस्ट करें, निफ्टी में कैसे करें, हाउ टू टॉप अप योर SIP या किस SIP फंड में इन्वेस्ट करें. बट जैसे मार्केट गिरने लगता है, ये इंटरेस्ट भी गिरने लगता है. यू कैन सी कि जब कोविड टाइम में एक क्रैश आया था, द इंटरेस्ट इन द मार्केट ऑल्सो ड्रॉप्ड बिकॉज डर आ गया था लोगों में. एंड आई बिलीव दैट वॉज द फेज जिसमें पीपल शुड हैव इन्वेस्टेड मोर. बट ड्यू टू कोविड ऑब्वियसली द पीपल वर नॉट कि लाइफ का ही पता नहीं था why they will invest in the market. We'll come back to our story of Mr. Perfect and Mr. Shantila. Now, as I told you, they both have different strategies. So now let's discuss. They will be investing in the sideways market, and now I will tell you the strategy. Mr. Perfect has a very simple strategy that he wants to play the waiting game. He won't be investing in the downwards market. He will reduce his SIP. He will take away all the cash. He will, sell out all his portfolio stocks, and he will wait till the correction ends. And he will invest only when the market breaks out or market comes out of the range. On the other hand, since Mr. Shantilal, is patience high on me. He is a very, disciplined sort of a person. He wants to continue his SIP. He wants, to study the companies and wants to create a watch list. And as and when he feels he wants to invest, he doesn't want to just time the market. He wants to wait patiently. But now the question is, किसकी strategy ज़्यादा अच्छी है? चलिए पता लगाते हैं. This is the chart of Nifty from 2007 to 2014. तब भी sideways market था. And let's analyze कि अगर अब सेम स्ट्रेटजीज अप्लाई होती दोनों इन्वेस्टर की, किसका रिजल्ट बेटर आता? आपको क्या लगता है? डू लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. इफ यू सी मिस्टर परफेक्ट, उनकी स्ट्रेटजी सिंपल थी कि ही विल नॉट इन्वेस्ट एनीथिंग, ही विल वेट टिल द करेक्शन एंड्स. सो द आउटकम्स आर वेरी सिंपल कि ही विल सेव हिज कैश, देयर विल बी नो स्ट्रेस ऑफ द करेक्शन, एंड ही विल वेट फॉर द बेटर प्राइस टू कम, देन ओनली ही विल इन्वेस्ट हिज मनी. On the other hand, the outcome of Mr. Shaltilal's decision is pretty much clear that he will continue his SIP so that he'll get the better NAV for his SIP amount. He will bought in tranches that is averaging down, but he will also don't time the market. He is investing regularly. So whenever the market starts to rise again, he won't be left out. He won't feel left out because he's regularly investing. So applying both the strategies, first we'll see what happened in the Nifty when such जब एक मार्केट साइडवेज में था, उसके बाद मार्केट ने कैसा रिएक्शन दिया. सो यू कैन सी कि एक बार उस रेंज से बाहर आने के बाद निफ्टी हैज गिवन अ ग्रेट अप ट्रेंड फ्रॉम 6,000 to 26,000 के लेवल. सो अगेन द क्वेश्चन अराइजेस कि स्ट्रेटेजी किसकी परफेक्ट रही. सो आई ड्रिल डाउन into four parts. In terms of protecting the cash, if I see, Mr. Perfect is able to protect his cash, whereas Mr. Shantilal isn't. Second, but Mr. Shantilal ने एक चीज पे ध्यान दिया is continue to invest. Mr. Perfect की strategy simple थी. He doesn't want to invest anything. Third, avoiding emotional buy. We often say कि अपने emotions में बह के कोई decision नहीं लेना चाहिए. And Mr. Perfect followed this. He didn't, buy anything out of emotions. He has a definite plan that he will buy only after the market gives a breakout. But for Mr. Shantilal, it was a disciplined approach. Participation in the recovery. Mr. Perfect, there are no chance of, participation, no particular evidence, because if you are not doing anything in the market, there are less chance of you participating in the recovery because you can't time it. You can't time the market. So it's not certain whether he has invested at the lower levels or not. But for Mr. Shantilal, definitely he would have participated in the recovery. So now, simple question from my side: who wins, Mr. Perfect or Mr. Shantilal? If you'll ask me, the approach of Mr. Perfect is emotionless strategy. He has controlled his emotions. He has a very straightforward approach of not investing till that phase is over. But for Mr. Shantilal, it was more of a disciplined approach. None of the strategy has a clear edge over the other. But what if I tell you to combine both the strategies? If we take the strategy of Mr. Perfect and combine it with the strategy of Mr. Shantilal, यानी emotionless strategy और disciplined approach को अगर हम combine कर दें, तो it will create the best possible strategy. The story was never about कि किसकी strategy best थी. The moral of the story or the purpose of the story was to tell you कि if you remain in the market, if you follow a strategy with a disciplined approach, that is your best strategy. You don't need to follow others to determine कि क्या strategy होनी चाहिए market की. You just need to adopt one strategy which suits you and you need to follow it in a disciplined manner. अगर आप ऐसा करते हो, so no one can stop you. You will be able to participate, you will be able to grow money, and you will be able to be ahead of many people. I hope you like the story of Mr. Perfect and Mr. Shantilal, and I hope that you will be able to find your best strategy like the way I am able to find my best possible strategy. Do let me know in the comment section if you like the story. Do share it with your friends. And yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.